Hello, my name is Otto Gonzalez Vega, and this is a brief introduction to the Patrol Shift Bid Scheduler version 1.0. The developers for this project were myself and my teammate George Costafreda. The product owner was Chief Samuel Ceballos Jr. from the village of Pinecrest Department of Police, and this was all done under the instruction of Dr. Masood Sajadi at Florida International University during the spring of 2019. So the problem is that scheduling at many police departments is still being done like this, using things like paper, pen, Excel spreadsheets, whiteboards, etc. And in addition, some departments use a bidding system where officers are asked what shift they would like in order of seniority. And this whole process occurs in lockstep, so the next person in line cannot pick their time slot until the previous person has physically walked up to this board and written their name down on the slot that they picked. And if an officer can't physically go up to the board for whatever reason, someone has to call and ask them for which of the available shifts they'd like to take. And this isn't just limited to the patrol schedule. As you can see from the picture, they have a similar process in place for overtime, and they also bid for their vacation time using a whiteboard. So this whole process is very tedious, and an automated solution could potentially save a lot of time and generate less paper waste. And although things would still have to be done in lockstep, because that's just the way they do things, the difference is that the officers would receive an automatic email notification when it's their turn to bid, and they just have to click a link and then pick their slot right then and there instead of physically having to walk up to this board and write their name down. Another advantage is that a database can keep track of the whole schedule history. So if someone wants to look at previous schedules for whatever reason, they'd be able to do so without having to consult like a 3-ring binder or something of the sort. Finally, the main schedule view can have this staffing row at the bottom. And if a day were to fall below a minimum staffing requirement, it would automatically turn red, indicating that there may be an opportunity for overtime to fill the vacancy. So that's the gist of the project. If you have any questions, here's our contact information, and thank you for your time.